Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Yeah, that's gonna be my new intro. And today I'm gonna show you how I post my videos, because I usually post them on my iPhone or my tablet. Okay, I'm gonna sit back down. Here we go. Ow, my toe. Okay, sat down. So I'm gonna record a video. It's just gonna be like, hey, or something like that, because it's gonna be very short. Hey! See what I mean? It was just like, hey! And now I'm gonna hit next. So I hit next, right? And then I'm gonna come a little closer to you. Let me just come a little closer to you. And then all I have to hit is this. I put in my, title, yes, title. So I'm just gonna put hey, and then I'm gonna put my description. Guys, I don't know how to spell tutorial, so I'm gonna have to use the mic. So here we go. Tutorial. No. Tutorial. Okay, that's done. And then I put my description and my title, and then the button at the top, it says upload, and then you hit that and it'll upload, and you have to stay on the app while it's processing, and then when it says processing, you can leave the app while it uploads. So that's what I'm doing. And that's the same with phones. I think any iOS device it'll work on. So that's exactly how you do it on almost any iOS device. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.